In today's video, I will show you how to fix a Bluetooth wireless controller not working in COD Mobile on iPhone or iPad. If your controller is connected but not responding in game, follow these steps carefully. So let's get started. First, open Call of Duty Mobile. Once you are in the game, go to Settings and from the left-hand menu, select Controls. Scroll down until you see Enable Controller Support and make sure this option is turned on. After enabling it, back out and test your controller quality. If your controller still isn't working, don't worry. Completely close COD Mobile so it's not running in the background. Now open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on Bluetooth, then find your wireless controller under My Devices. Select the information button next to the controller name and tap Forget this device, confirm when prompted. And after forgetting the controller, turn Bluetooth back off and wait about 10 to 15 seconds and turn it back on. Now put your Bluetooth controller into pairing mode. Once it appears under other devices, tap on it and connect it. Now reopen COD Mobile, load into a match or training mode and test your controller to make sure it's working properly. If the controller still isn't responding, you need to try the follow on-screen steps. And that's how you can fix a Bluetooth controller not working in COD Mobile on iPhone or iPad. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.